All right, guys, this Monday motivational quote is coming to you from Maya Angelou. Let's hop in. Hey, guys, so Maya Angelou said this. She said, "My wish for you is that you continue. Continue to be who and how you are, to astonish a mean world with your acts of kindness." Now, it's really interesting, this word continue, because there's so much in this life that would get you to try to stop when you're doing something good. You have opposition, or people don't receive you the way you thought, or you didn't get the accolades you wanted, or maybe somebody, you tried to compliment them and they got angry. You tried to do a good deed and they lashed out at you. It doesn't matter. The goal is don't stop serving people, loving people, encouraging people, being kind, because there are way too many people being mean or divisive in this world. It's about time that we all rise up as a generation and make a difference by being kind. And to do that, we're going to have to continue. So hey, I hope that quote was helpful, and we will check you next week.